Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 best full tower PC cases you can get your hands on in 2025. These cases offer a range of features, designs, and price points to suit gamers, enthusiasts, and professional builders alike. If you're looking for the perfect home for your high-performance PC, you're in the right place. As always, you can find product links in the description below. So let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the NEVIEW 4503. While technically a mid-tower, this case offers enough space to rival some full towers, and its dual tempered glass panels make it a stunning choice for showcasing your build. With 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans and a 4-port ARGB controller, the NEVIEW 4503 is designed to deliver optimized airflow while keeping your PC looking dazzling. The build quality is impressive, with a robust alloy steel frame and tempered glass panels that feel premium. The case supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, including E-ATX, and can fit GPUs up to 430mm. Its thoughtful cable management system and magnetic dust filters add a layer of practicality to its sleek design. Additionally, the top-mounted 360mm radiator support ensures efficient cooling for overclocked systems. However, the NEVIEW 4503 isn't without its limitations. It's a mid-tower, meaning it doesn't offer the same expansive space as the other cases on this list. While it's an excellent choice for most gaming setups, those with particularly large cooling solutions or extensive hardware might find it a bit restrictive. Overall, it's a visually stunning case with great airflow and is perfect for gamers who want style and performance on a budget. At number 4, we have the MUSETEX K2, a mid-tower case that punches well above its weight class. This case comes pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans, providing not only exceptional airflow, but also an immersive lighting experience. The 270-degree dual-tempered glass panels offer a panoramic view of your hardware, making it a fantastic choice for those who love to show off their builds. The K2 excels in its internal layout, with ample space for high-end components, including GPUs up to 420mm and CPU coolers up to 178mm. It also supports top-mounted 360mm radiators, making it highly versatile for liquid cooling setups. The high-speed Type-C port and 2 USB 3.0 ports on the I/O panel ensure modern connectivity, adding to its overall appeal. While the MUSETEX K2 is feature-packed, its mid-tower design does have some space constraints for ultra-high-end builds. Additionally, the tempered glass panels, while beautiful, may not offer the same durability as steel options. This case is ideal for gamers who want a balance of performance, aesthetics, and affordability. Taking the third spot is the Antec C8, a budget-friendly full-tower case that doesn't skimp on features. This case is built with a dual-chamber design, which helps with cable management and improves airflow. The seamless tempered glass front and side panels provide a sleek, modern look, and it's fully compatible with RTX 40 GPUs. While the C8 does not include any pre-installed fans, it makes up for it with incredible versatility. It supports thick 360mm radiators on the top, bottom, and side simultaneously, making it a dream for custom water cooling enthusiasts. The toolless design makes assembly straightforward, and the interchangeable fan brackets offer additional flexibility. The biggest drawback of the C8 is the lack of included fans, which means you'll have to budget for cooling solutions separately. However, for $119.99, it's an excellent starting point for those who want a high-quality full tower without breaking the bank. It's perfect for DIY builders looking for customization and scalability. At number 2, we have the Antec Flux Pro, a case that combines elegance with functionality. The walnut wood accents on the front panel give it a unique, premium look, while its high airflow design ensures optimal cooling. It comes with 6 pre-installed PWM fans, including reverse fans for the PSU shroud, making it one of the most cooling-efficient cases on this list. The Flux Pro supports up to 12 fans and dual radiators, 420mm and 360mm, making it a standout for cooling versatility. Its iShift PSU 90-degree mount and dual temperature display are innovative features that make installation easier and provide real-time system monitoring. Additionally, the removable cooling brackets simplify the setup process. The downside? At 29 pounds, this case is heavy, and its wooden accents may not appeal to everyone. However, if you're after a unique design and top-tier cooling performance, the Antec Flux Pro is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Antec Performance 1 FT. This full tower case is the ultimate choice for high-performance builds. With 4 pre-installed Storm T3 PWM fans and a high airflow mesh front panel, it delivers exceptional cooling performance right out of the box. The dual-tempered glass side panels allow you to showcase your components in style, while the integrated temperature display keeps you informed of your system's status. The Performance 1 FT stands out for its builder-friendly design. The removable top bracket and 2 included cable covers make installation and cable management a breeze. It's fully compatible with RTX 40 GPUs and comes equipped with a Type-C 10 gigabits port for high-speed connectivity. At $144.99, it's the premium option on this list, but it delivers excellent value for its price. The only minor downside is its weight, which can make it harder to move once assembled. However, if you're looking for a case that offers a combination of premium features, excellent cooling, and a sleek design, the Antec Performance 1 FT is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the top 5 full tower PC cases. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Got questions about any of these cases? Drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy building.